Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So we're doing this video on this Hypertough 12-volt heavy-duty digital tire inflator. They have another one that's 120 volts. I'm not quite sure how much this is because I don't actually see the price on here. But I like the fact that it's 12 volt and it says it's heavy-duty. It's got a magnetic detachable soft LED light, which comes in handy. It's got a digital display, which I prefer over the analog display. It looks like a pretty decent unit. Maximum pressure 100 psi, 12 volt DC, 180 watts, 15 amps. Hey, if you guys have this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. 4 minutes full time. It's got a 2-year warranty. You guys know how much this is, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. I'm not quite sure how much it is, but I'm sure it's going to be around like the $40 range. That's what I'm guessing. If it's durable, I like the fact that it has this, the nozzle right here is one of those press-in nozzles and not the screw-in nozzles. If you guys ever play with these with the screw-in nozzles, they're not the best. They're not. They're very difficult to screw in, and it takes a while, and it gets frustrating. Even if you're trying to fill up your tire, if you guys have a flat tire, it's already a frustrating thing. You do not want one of these with like this no screw-ins. They're not really the best things in the world. But it looks like it's heavy duty. I don't know if you can plug into your it says 15 amps on here. You know what, I think a lot of the fuses are 15 amps are like the 12 volts these days, so that shouldn't be too bad. Rated power is 180 watts. Let us know whether this is heavy duty, guys, and like how good this is. If this actually does its job as far as inflating tires is concerned, like if you guys have a big truck or whatever, if you guys have a big truck or whatever and this actually works for you guys, a huge van or a huge whatever. I know a lot of these 100 psi, I think that's pretty much a fair assessment. A lot of these say like 125 psi's and they don't actually work that good. But in any case, if this is worked for you guys, if this is durable, if this is worth the money, if you guys know of any competitors out there for this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. All right, guys, take care.